Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have a little CreataBeauty haul. Well, I guess Black Friday haul, because I did purchase some items from them for the Black Friday sale. Like, the sale they had was just amazing. I finally got my red iguana finger. I actually wanted the hand, but I just got the finger this time. Maybe in my next order I'll buy the hand. I'll see. So if you'd like to see more in regards to these products and what I purchased, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have another haul from CreataBeauty. I actually did participate in their Black Friday sale that they had because it was a really good deal. I have no complaints. I picked up a few things, and they have this new thing called Sezzle where it's like you don't have to make your full payment in one shot, so it breaks up into 4 even payments for you, and I think that's really neat. So I have some really fun and exciting things to share with you guys. So this is just gonna be like a quick look at what I did pick up, and then, you know, I'll have a more in-depth review of certain things later on. So I did pick up one of these pumps, and I have one already, and one of them I use for like my cleanser to remove the inhibition layer when I'm doing videos for you guys, and I wanted another one so that I could put acetone in it, and then I want to get another one later on so I can put some alcohol in it. Or I might put the alcohol in this one and then get another one later for acetone. But either way, picked up another one of these. Now this is what it looks like. Simple pump, pink cap. They had a pink or white one to this, and I went for the one with the pink lid. So for those of you that know or don't know, I do have my own press-on nail shop, and I really love to use the Apres tips for my press-on nail sets that I do for people. So this one I wanted to get some more sizes because I only had Coffin and sculpted medium square. So I went and I got the natural stiletto long, because more day by day trying to add more things to the shop and whatnot. Look at that. So these are all the stiletto long tips, and then this one is the natural Coffin, and this is in the medium length. Oops. So this is like the medium length Coffin. I dropped it, I don't know where it went, but yeah. And I know some of you like to see my nails, so this is the set, my most recent set that I did. Can I tell you guys that I really struggled with this set because I didn't know what I wanted to do, what design I was going for, and then I actually just winged it. And I really like how it came out. Let me know what you guys think. I went and I also picked up a nail art brush, because I want to get into more like freehand nail art to practice, because I tell you guys all the time that I can't draw to save my life, so I figured I might as well start practicing. So I picked up the light Elegance Shorty just to test it out and see how I like it. So this is what it looks like, and it does come with like the plastic on it. If I could pull it off, it would be nice. Yeah, like look at how thin that brush is. Like, that is some serious for like detailing and fine lines. So I'm gonna give it a try, see how I like it. But I am also gonna pick up some other like liners or striper brushes, but I just figured I'd start with this one, see how I feel. I also picked up some stamping plates from Clear Jelly Stamper because I did need some more Christmas and winter themed plates. So I picked up these ones. This one is CJSC 44. And what I like is like she gives you this little detailer card that shows you like how you could use it. This one is called Old Christmas Tree. But as you can see, it has this really big like tree image. It has this really fun looking one. It's got this swirly one and this one. So it has a great variety of trees on it. And then I picked up this one. This one is called Baby It's Cold. And it doesn't have that backing like the smaller one I showed you, but on this one you kind of get an idea. It's got like Mary, the drums for the little drummer boy, crown, some more trees, sweater, snowman, and this one is like a layered stamping plate as well. So you'd use this one and then this one, and or these image and then this one. So there's so many different things that you can do, and I'm really gonna have fun using this plate and coming up with some looks for it. And then I also picked up a snowflake plate because I don't think I have a lot of snowflake plates, or if I do, then I just added another one. And this one is called In the Frosty Air CJS C24. And as you can see, like, it just has a really great array of different snowflakes. And even some of these you can use for layered stamping as well. Sorry about the glare, guys. And this one I wanted for so long, so I was like, okay, if it's one thing I'm gonna get in this order is this, and it's the Clear Jelly Stamper Got Plaid plate, and like you can come up with so many different plaid designs. And I like that they have like the different lines and the different sizes, so you can kind of mix and match and create your own plaid design as well. So yeah, I was really happy about that. I was supposed to pick up a stamping plate holder, and I had it in my cart, and I took it out. And I was like, oh, I don't need it right now. And only after I placed the order did I realize, yeah, no, Sasha, you really needed it. So maybe my next order, I'll get this stamping plate holder. Then I picked up some stamping polishes. So this one is a sticky polish in black, and from my understanding, the sticky polishes is like you can put chrome over them or you can use foil over them. So I'm really excited to give these a try. And then I picked up another sticky polish, but that one's in white, if I could get it out. So then I picked up the other sticky polish. This one is white. So I'm really excited to give these a try. And then I wanted some colors for Christmas. Like, I have a whole bunch of different stamping polishes that I haven't tried, and I didn't really look before I purchased these ones, but I know for a fact, like, I don't have a metallic green. I don't think I have a silver anymore. I think I used it all up, and I don't have these two colors. So I made sure to get colors that I know for a fact I didn't have. So this one is Steal the Show. And then this one is Glitzy Evergreen. This one is You Had Me at Chocolate. This one looks really creamy. And this one is Salted Caramel. So I'm really excited to give these a try. And I do plan on adding more Clear Jelly Stamper polishes to my collection in the future, but I just started with these ones. I do have her black, and I really like how pigmented her black stamping polish is. I also picked up some more Swarvoski AB Crystals, and I picked up some gold foil. I heard supposedly Swarvoski is supposed to be like changing who he sells these to, so my goal is to stock up on as many of them as much as possible, because I don't know if it's true or not, but I just want to have them to make sure. So I picked up some SS5s, some SS7s, SS9s, SS12s, and SS16s. I was going to pick up the 20, but I didn't. I might pick up a 20 the next time. And then I picked up some transfer foil. This is gold Starburst. I feel like if I take this out, though, I'm not going to be able to put it back in. Nope, my nails are too long. Look at how pretty that is. So I'm really excited to try this out too. So next I'm sharing something that I have been eyeing forever. And I was like, okay, I really need to get this. So this is the Apres art inks. So this is collection number 1, and it's like you can use these to create like marble looks, or I can't even explain it properly, but I was so excited for these guys, and I kept saying, oh, I'm gonna get it, and then I wouldn't get it, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, then I wouldn't get it. So I finally just did it. I finally got it, and now I'm like, I want to get the rest of the collections. I haven't opened this. I've been dying to open this, and I haven't opened it. I want to make sure I filmed it first so you guys could see. Look at these guys. Do you know how exciting this is to me? So this is the set that I got. So 1 is black, 2 is brown, 3 is orange, 4 is red, 5 is pink, and 6 is fuchsia. So it comes with the 6 inks and 120 milliliter blending fluid to help make like this effect with it. And it gives you like a little instruction on the back on how you can use it too. So it seems like it's best to use these on a matte surface. Like, look at how sleek these bottles are. And look at the tops. I love this. So this one's black. I don't know, maybe I'll do like a review for you guys. Try them out with the whole set. Let me know. But like, as you can tell, like it's really runny. Which makes sense for the purpose that you'll use it, that it would be used for. I want to get maybe my next order some Christmas colors. But I went for the basic collection first. I'm loving these bottles. Love, love, love them. And I'm so happy I finally have them. Like, you guys have no idea. And this is the blending fluid. So this is what you would use basically to help give it that like marbly effect. And I think with each set you get a blending fluid, which is really nice. Guys, do you know what this is? So if you don't know what Red Iguana is, it's April Ryan's company, and she makes like the flexible, posable hand. So there's a half hand, a full hand, and the fingers. And guess what I got? Guess what I got, guys? I am so happy. You guys have no idea how long I have wanted at least the hand or the finger. And when CreataBeauty brought them in, I was like, yes, definitely gonna have to get one. She needs washing. I don't know. This one is in the skin tone Analuisa. I hope I said that right. And this I feel is gonna be like perfect for swatch videos. So like I could just insert one of the tips in and swatch it on here for you instead of the like little tip holders that I use. So let me know what you guys think. Would you rather me use the finger, or do you like the little tip holders? Maybe I can do some like compilation videos of nail art and stuff using these. But it's so realistic. Like, she needs a bath, okay? She needs to be clean. She needs to be washed. She's got all these little fuzzies on her. I wonder if I throw this at my daughter, what would happen? But like, it's so realistic. And they have different skin tones, and I was like, maybe I would collect the other ones. And Talia from Talia's Nail Tales had a really good idea. Like, she showcases what different colors look like on different skin tones, and I was like, oh, that might be a good idea for my channel. So I don't know, I might stock up on the other ones and see, and maybe do something like that for you guys. But I definitely want to get either the half hand or the full hand. The half hand comes with just the four fingers, and the full hand comes with the 4 fingers and the thumb. So I don't know, guys, let me know, what do you think? Which one should I get? But I'm so pumped for this. And then I got the primer that actually goes with the hand or the fingers, and it's basically like so that you can practice maybe sculpting or building or your application, and it makes it easier to remove the tips when you use this primer. So I figured I might as well get it, especially when I want to be doing some practicing and whatnot. And here we have it for my mini Black Friday haul from CreataBeauty. So I know this one was short and sweet. I hope you guys like it, because I know sometimes my videos do get long or can be long, but I appreciate those of you that actually do watch them. Like, it means a lot to me. So let me know, is there anything that you want me to try first, from like stamping polishes, the foil, the art inks, stamping plates? You know, let me know if you want me to use the finger in my videos. Let me know, guys, because, you know, it helps me come up with content to create that you guys would want to see. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos and being part of this journey with me. You can always find the links to everything that I have mentioned in the video down below. As always, guys, please do give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post more content. If you have any questions and or comments, leave them down below and I will make sure to try and get back to you as soon as possible. You can follow me on all my social media links down below as well. And as always, stay glamorous.